So if we are basically evaluating a patient and we want to resort to a surgical management in particular patients who are not basically responding to the medical therapy, or basically they are not responding quite well to the irradiation therapy, then we can opt for this transphenoidal surgery, and we can basically try and perform the resection either completely or to some extent in these patients that can be performed safely. And obviously we can also look for the prognostic factors of that particular benign condition, or either it can be a carcinomatous condition in the patients. So that is basically, that is how we are basically going to evaluate the age of the individual, the sex, the overall health condition of the individual has to be evaluated in detail before performing this kind of an invasive technique and trying resecting the adenoma, or try to resect the carcinomatous condition or the tumorous condition that we are dealing in with. Now, this is the safest approach. We basically try reaching the sella turcica through the sphenoidal sinus. So here you can basically appreciate over here that this is the sphenoidal sinus, which is lying posteriorly to the sphenoid bone, the sella turcica, and we can approach through this endoscope, and along with the curette, we can approach the sphenoidal sinus and the pituitary gland and resect whatever the tumor or the cancerous condition is safely. And this is quite a safe approach because we're not harming any kind of cranial nerves or any kind of neighboring structures in this kind of an approach. So this is the mainstay of the treatment, and over here basically we discussed and went through the Sellar masses that we can basically evidence, and we must know how to treat these cases, how to get to the definitive diagnosis in this particular case of Sellar masses. And to know this kind of a condition, we must have a sound background knowledge regarding the anatomical features and regarding the anatomical relations this sella turcica has, and only then we can basically manage and treat the patients accordingly. So that is the end. Thank you for watching sqadia.com.